To keep your dryer running safely and efficiently, there are a few simple maintenance procedures you can perform. First, make sure that the dryer's lint filter is cleaned after every cycle. The screen is located on top of the cabinet or at the door. Use a bristle brush to remove any stubborn residue and replace the filter if it has any rips or tears. You should also check the lint screen housing for excess lint. Use a vacuum to clean it out. At least once a year, remove the dryer's vent pipe from the rear of the appliance and use your hands or a vent brush to clean out any lint or foreign objects. Another annual job is to clean the inside of the dryer cabinet. Follow these simple guidelines, and your dryer should be running great for years to come.